This is the Cahal Pech Resort, room 403. These are little thatch huts that you can stay in. Each one is just your own. They kind of are separated with these long sidewalks where you can walk around. They all have lanterns out at night. It's really nice. The view from the balcony is awesome. You can see like the whole city of San Ignacio. You get this little table and chairs, and you get a hammock there as well that you can lay in. The whole porch is screened in, so it keeps most of the bugs out, but there are a lot of gaps, so we still had bugs that came in. You've got a sliding glass door, you go inside, and it's all kind of in just one room. There's no closet. You've just got these those like that hangers right there on that rack, a small television. You've got a luggage rack, so you can throw your suitcase up on that. The bed was pretty comfortable. It was probably the most comfortable we had when we stayed in Belize. Air conditioner worked really well, except for the fact that it goes through the thatch roof. So it gets cold, but in the middle of the day, so much of the cold air gets through the roof that it starts to really warm up. The small desk, the windows I all opened as well if you wanted to, so you could have a lot of airflow throughout, which was really nice. Lots of lights. Actually, the bulbs are like too bright for the room. One bulb will light that whole place. You get two sinks, so there's one station there and another inside the bathroom. Shower, hot water and everything was great. It was good water pressure too. Really basic little bathroom. Everything worked fine though. Lots of light, like I said, throughout the whole place. There's a little bit of storage area under that sink as well. Spent a lot of our time out on this balcony, and you will too if you make it there. If you have any questions or anything, just let me know in the comments below and I'd be happy to answer them. Thanks, guys.